Hi friends, I have a great opportunity to meet a special personality today in Bharat Print Expo Bengaluru. So the Srinivasan sir is my good friend and good expertise in printing and packaging industry. He have vast experience of 25 years plus in Gulf market and Indian market. He is a G7 expert and lot of people are the consultant, but he is not a consultant. He is a outcome expert. So let me ask him to define the outcome expert word well and introduce himself little bit more that I may miss. Srinivasan sir.
Yeah, I'm as Parmeshwar was telling, I call myself as an outcome specialist. The difference between a consultant and outcome specialist is normally consultants, they give a lot of points where outcome specialist as outcome, I'll be on the floor creating a committee in your team itself and identifying the problem and providing solutions on the floor. With regard to Indus Analytics, what I feel is I have been an avid user of Indus. I have seen many ERP softwares in the market because being an expert, customers, they used to call me and ask me what are the different types of softwares available, how it can be different from others. What I found unique with Indus is this AI integration is really a benchmark in their achievement. I can very well say it makes things very easier for the customers. Another thing is it's all user friendly. In one of a user, when we started implementing Indus, it's like in 1 or 2 months itself they are able to use efficiently. That is very important. The problem with our printing fraternity is we buy a lot of software, we try to do everything, but we are not able to complete our process fully. With the softwares like Indus, they have a very good backend team support where they do online implementation also, physical also they do. And today I was talking with Mr. Parmeshwar, the print Pathasala. That is one more unique thing which I found. It is like training the whole printing fraternity itself. That is a very good unique idea, and I can very well say it is a selfless idea. They don't have any intentions of earning or something like that. Purely giving back to the printing industry. I think we all should take some initiative to do these kind of things in our future. Thank you.
So Srinivasan sir, one more question I have with you. So you have a lot of experience I seen in my previous years with you that when you implemented ERP in certain places and found a lot of challenges with the people, and then you find the right place, right people, applied the right strategy with them, and we implemented successfully. So what tip you want to give to the modern printing industry or the growing industry to go a right automation partner and right automation system to make it successful?
The first thing is we should never, there is always a fear. Software means normally we feel like this is something different where it is going to come from top and our people down the line, they are not mature enough to handle all those things. We should understand software, it is going to be an aid, and the same thing will be trained by a professional where they are well versed in those kind of things. This